Before we get started, there's a special discount link for Biofit dietary supplement in the description of this video. Biofit is a 100% natural dietary supplement that will help you shed all those extra kilos and bring comfort, excitement and happiness back to your life. The Biofit supplement is found after many years of extensive research and study. The researchers helped find the right amount of ingredients to mix in the right amount to maintain their properties. Biofit Reviews, Product Overview. The proprietary formula is a natural weight loss formula that anyone can use. The official Biofit website states that the Biofit supplement is processed under strict sterilization standards with regularly disinfected equipment. As mentioned in this Biofit review, the ingredients in Biofit are all natural and you don't need to worry about any adverse effects. Each Biofit capsule is manufactured in the United States in a GMP-certified and FDA-approved facility to rigorous, accurate and sterile standards. Biofit capsules are also GMO-free and safe to consume as they contain no stimulants or dangerous toxins. In addition, the manufacturer recommends consuming according to the dose indicated on the official website. According to the official website, you should take 2 Biofit capsules a day and do not exceed the dose. Is Biofit a magic pill? Biofit is definitely not a magic pill. The Biofit supplement takes its time to show its effectiveness. How long will Biofit take to see the result? The Biofit supplement takes at least 2 to 3 months to prove its effectiveness. Therefore, the manufacturer recommends taking the pills immediately for 3 months. According to Biofit customer reviews, most users made small changes on their own within the first week and reached their weight loss goal within 2 months of use. Price and where do you get Biofit? The Biofit supplement can only be found and is only available on the official website. With that said, it cannot be purchased anywhere other than an e-commerce store or other retail store. Biofit is not an expensive dietary supplement for burning fat. The starting price for the MetaBoost itself is very reasonable and affordable too. Also, the manufacturer has provided a lot of discount packages and offers. There are 3 different packages available on the website. Basic package. The basic package contains 1 bottle of Biofit and costs $69. They also deliver Biofit to your doorstep with no shipping costs or additional costs. Best Value Pack. The Best Value Pack contains 6 bottles of Biofit supplement and is only $49 per bottle. If you need a bulk Biofit supplement, go for this pack so it's not too expensive to buy. Most popular package. The complete package contains 3 bottles of Biofit supplement. The cost of a bottle is $59. If you are ready to purchase the Biofit supplement, go to the official website, link in the description of video, and click the Add to Cart button. You will then be directed to a secure payment page where you can process a single simple payment. When I reviewed the Biofit weight loss supplement, I understood that Biofit is a natural fat-burning supplement and weight loss pill that is formulated with scientifically proven ingredients. Final verdict on Biofit review. If you are looking for a legitimate supplement to burn unwanted fat and achieve your desired weight, I can say that Biofit can help you solve your problem. Biofit is reasonably priced and the website offers a 60-day 100% money-back guarantee. Biofit dietary supplement free shipping. Order now, and improve your health. Just click on the link below.